have here the Cozy Makeup Bag. This is the Walffle check print. It's so pretty, the little bow, and it's in pink. This makeup bag is super cute and very lightweight. We're going to put this pink Walffle check bag in our backpacks. These are for, this one's for a 7th grader. We love the check pattern. It is giving it a soft, aesthetic look that's perfect for school or a weekend or a bag, or even setting on a vanity. But this holds more than it looks like it would. Everything in here is for illustrative purposes only. It comes empty, okay? Has all of this stuff in there. Tons of stuff. You can fit a full-size brush in here. It travels beautifully with room to spare. The structure is going to stand up. Look, it keeps its structure, which makes it, grabbing it, a breeze. And the fabric is very, very nice. I really recommend these. This is a little travel bag, or like I said, we're gonna put these in our backpack for a cute catch-all for their personal products for school. I would definitely grab one of these and enjoy the school year.